Hey everyone, it's a pleasure to be in Berlin and with you guys. So just a quick update about me. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Colendi. Colendi is a microcredit and credit scoring platform, which I founded with my partner. Our backgrounds are definitely very different with my partner, but in our hometown, home country, we have 40 million unbanked, underbanked people, and this is why we founded ININOW 10 years ago around, and it was one of the first fintech startups in our market, which was regulated by Banking Regulatory Association, and it was become a very interesting startup history in our country. And my partner founded a company and sold it to MasterCard with 45 million cards processed every year, so it was a very interesting experience for both of us. But there was a bigger problem that might be needed to solve with our skill set maybe. When I graduated from industrial engineering in my university, I started as an entrepreneur first day. I have never been worked in any corporate accounts or any banks, but I really like to establish something people love. And this is why we were trying to crack down the problem that we solve in that area, which there are a lot of unbanked, underbanked people in the world, around 3 billion people. And of that, by the way, the banked ones are also not credible because of a lot of credibility issues, like 1 billion of the banked people are not credible. So there's a big market in our segment, and in 2016 we started with a very interesting team which believed in me, and the company that I founded before was a e-money licensed digital bank company, but we didn't have the license to give credit. So it was a very interesting issue. We couldn't solve that problem. But today, I guess we have a very interesting solution, and it's now available at the moment, and we have a couple of use cases at the moment, which is a decentralized credit scoring and a microcredit platform, which we also happen to have a protocol as well, a white label solution for a lot of interesting partners, which we use. The use cases that we developed for the last couple of months were very interesting because installment shopping, microcredit, peer-to-peer finance, or as a reliability measure, credit scoring, and these items belong data, and this data belongs to us only. And thanks to distributed ledger technology and a lot of other complements to technological developments, I guess we have a very interesting solution in hand. As Colendi has grown up for the last 3 years, I'm talking about a very, very interesting time frame, which is we develop a lot of stuff, with a lot of partners, by the way, which we believe there is a huge market in the world, Asia Pacific, or we all see, and financial WeChat Pay, a lot of game changers are coming. And we believe that there is a very interesting opportunity for a lot of sectors, segments, and potential use cases. We started with a lot of good partners as early adapters, which we have proof of concept ready. We have also developed a very cool wallet for a partner that we have on board. And we created this credit score and also credit marketplace together, which is very interesting here because you'll see decentralized world becomes the mass user adoption phase with us. We hopefully have a programmable money solution in a couple of months that you will see through our Colendi.com site. So this was a roadmap in our hands when we started this. We didn't do any ICO or any token sale or anything like that because we believe that this sector really needs proven use cases that are working, scalable, and potentially in a very big name. So we have a very interesting distributed app that you can use today as a digital identity credit score, and then with a programmable money, you can stake your tokens or whatever you have and get credits on behalf of them. Or you can use our developer portal to develop a lot of other use cases that you can see. Well, these slides are going to be available in our website in a couple of weeks, but I didn't want to give you a quick update, but we already established 2019 every aspect of the KPIs that we have in hand. And hopefully, in a couple of months, you will see our developer portal will be open. And thanks to our investors, which were all my existing companies' investors, a lot of them are coming on board with me. You will see a traction with Colendi soon. So thank you. If you need anything to ask me, I will be around here. Hopefully, see you soon.